What's up guys, welcome back to Radiant Clicks, and today I got another package, and again I don't know what it is, but we are going to find out. This package is from Flipkart, so I'll just do a quick open. The packings are pretty good. They have stopped using the plastic packaging and they're using the cardboard packaging, so I think that's very impressive. Save the planet. Okay, so we have a boat fueled by Passion earphone, I believe. Yes, so you can see that this is a boat sport fueled by Passion earphone. This is probably, as you can see the picture, it's a earphone which is generally used for working out, while working out in the gym, or probably for a jogging. And you can see the specs. It is having Bluetooth 4.1. It is having a magnetic lock. It means that you will not have it tangled. Then you can see that this technology is used. I don't know what it is. And there are certain other things. The battery backup is up to 6 hours, and the package contains in-ear earphones, USB charging cable, and a manual. And the price is 2,990, and I got it for 1,270. No, sorry, I got it for 1,499 in special discount. And it's also waterproof, so if you're sweating, if you're working out for really long, you wouldn't face any problem because it's sweat proof. So let's see the content inside. Okay, so you can see that this is the earphone, and we have a manual and USB cable here. So let's just have a quick look. This is the manual by Boat. The description about the earphones is given here. This is a warranty card, 1 year warranty you're getting, so if something happens you can always get fixed. And then you have certain other instructions which is in English. Okay, and you have this replaceable earplugs, so if something goes wrong with the ones which is already here, I think you can replace it. Alright, and this is the USB cable for charging. Alright, so you can charge it after using for 6 to 7 hours. So you can see the color is so nice, neon green. So if you're wearing with any other color, your gym wear or any other jog wear, it will go really good with it. It will match with any kind of color. And this neon green is giving it a very different kind of enhancement. And you can see the boat tag here, so brand is everything. And we are having a couple of manuals. This is for plus, this is for minus, and this is the off button. So you can increase the volume and decrease the volume from here. And this is for the right side, and this is for the left side. And if you go to the earbuds, you can see this magnet effect which we read in the description. So you will not lose it, and it will stay sturdy in your neck whenever you're using it. And you can see that the earbuds, this is pretty smooth, so you will not have any irritation and you will not feel hurt when you're wearing it for a really long time. So I think it's a perfect earphone in this budget. Now how the performance is and how this will be later, that I can tell you after using it for a couple of months. So the exact testing and the feedback will be coming up after a few months. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Boat it.